Welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we are going to see easy multiplication techniques, part 2. Technique number 1. Numbers with same 1's digit and 10th digit add up to 10. Let's try an example. 38 into 78. Here the 1's digit is same and the 10th digits add up to 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. First, multiply both the 10th digit and add with the commons 1 digit. So, 3 into 7 is 21. The commons 1 digit over here is 8. So, we do 21 plus 8, which gives us 29. So write 29. Next, do 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64. So write 64. So 38 into 78 is 2964. Let's try another example. 43 into 63. First, do 4 into 6, which is 24. Next, add 24 with the commons 1 digit. So, we add 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3 is 27. So, we write 27 over here. Next, we do 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. To make 9 as a 2-digit number, we write 9 as 09. So 43 into 63 is 2709. Let's try one more example. 29 into 89. First, we do 2 into 8, which is 16. Then we add 16 with the commons 1 digit, which is 9. So, 16 plus 9 is 25. So, write 25. Next, do 9 into 9. 9 into 9 is 81. So write 81. So 29 into 89 is 2581. Now let's see technique number 2. Numbers with same 10th digit and sum of 1's digit is greater than 10. When numbers with same 10th digit, so 2 and 2 and sum of 1's digit is greater than 10, so 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 is 2 more than 10. This method applies. Let's try an example. 28 into 24. First, put a slash. Next, multiply the 1's digit. So, 8 into 4. 8 into 4 is 32. Next, multiply the 10th digit into 1 more than the 10th digit. So, 2 into 1 more than 2. 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. The 10th digit is 2 and the 10th digit value is 20. Multiply 20 with the sum of, remember 8 the sum of the ones digit. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 is 2 more than 10. So multiply 20 with this 2. So 20 into 2 is 40. So we add it with 40. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 4 is 7, and we write down the 6 down as it is. So 28 into 24 is 672. Isn't this method so easy? Let's see another example. 42 into 49. First add the ones digits. So 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11 and 11 is 1 more than 10. Next put a slash. Then multiply 2 into 9, which is 18. Then do 4 into 4 plus 1. 4 into 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. The tens digit is 4 and the tens digit's value is 40. Multiply this 40 with, remember that we added 2 plus 9, the ones digit, and 2 plus 9 is 11 and 11 is 1 more than 10. And we multiply 40 into this one. So 40 into 1 is 40. So we add this 40. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 1 is 5, and we write this down as it is. So 42 into 49 is 2058. Let's see another example. First add the ones digit. So 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13 and 13 is 3 more than 10. Next put a slash. Then multiply 7 into 6, which is 42. Next do 6 into 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 6 into 7. 6 into 7 is 42. So write 42 again. The tens digit is 6 and the tens digit's value is 60. Multiply 60 with, remember, the ones digit sum is 13 and 13 is 3 more than 10. So we multiply 60 into this 3. So 60 into 3 is 180. So add it with 180. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. So write down the 2 and carry the 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. And we write down the 4 down as it is. So 67 into 66 is 4422. Let's see technique number 3. Numbers with same tens digit and sum of the ones digit is less than 10. The difference between the previous method and this method is that in step 3 we add the tens digit value multiplied by the sum of ones digit greater than 10. But in this method we subtract tens digit value multiplied by the sum of ones digit less than 10. The difference is that we subtract in step 3 over here, and in the previous method we add. First, find the sum of the ones digits. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 is 3 less than 10. Next, put a slash. Next, multiply 4 into 3, which is 12. Next, do 3 into 3 plus 1. So 3 into 4, which is also 12. Next, the tens digit is 3 and the tens digit value is 30. Multiply this 30. Remember that we added the ones digit 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 is 3 less than 10. We multiply 30 with this 3. So 30 into 3 is 90. So we subtract 90 over here. So this is the answer we get. 1122. For easy subtraction without carrying, here is a suggested link. Let's see another example. 42 into 45. First, add the ones digits. So 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 7 is 3 less than 10. Next, put a slash. Then multiply 2 into 5, which is 10. Then do 4 into 4 plus 1. So 4 into 5, which is 20. The tens digit is 4 and the tens digit value is 40. Multiply this 40 with, remember that we added the ones digits. So 2 plus 5 is 7 and 7 is 3 less than 10. So we do 40 into 3, which gives us 120. So we subtract 120. So 0, 0. So 9. So 8. So 42 into 45 is 1890. Let's see one more example. 53 into 56. First, add the ones digits. So 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 is 1 less than 10. Next, put a slash. Then do 3 into 6, which gives us 18. Then we do 5 into 5 plus 1. So 5 into 6, which is 30. 5 is the tens digit. The tens digit is 5. And the tens digit's value is 50. Multiply this 50. Remember that we added the ones digit, which gave us 9, and 9 is 1 less than 10. We multiply 50 with this 1. So 50 into 1 is 50. So subtract 50, which gives us 8, so 53 into 56 is 2968.
Thanks for watching.